Hi, good morning everyone. Today in this video I'm going to tell you about how gold is made, what are the characteristics of gold, how does this gold and element, chemical element come into existence, any attempts have been made by an alchemist to prepare gold artificially. Before that I would request you guys to like and subscribe my video and also to press bell button for nice informative videos. JP Morgan has said that gold is money, everything else is credit. So true. Such luster yellowish material come into existence before this Earth, Sun, other planets have formed. Then where does it come into existence then? In universe. What is universe? How big universe is that? If we see now, light travels in a year called as light year. Light travels 3 lakh kilometers per second. Similarly, in a year, how long does it reach? How long does it travel? That is called as that we measure in light year. So 900 light years it takes to travel all over the universe. Then we can come to know how big our universe is. So in this universe, because of the collision of neutron stars, because of the supernova, that is the explosion of stars, all these whatever 118 elements are there in periodic table. Some are natural and some are of course artificial. All these elements have come into existence, we can say. Similarly, this gold also has come like that. This hydrogen and helium, like lightest materials, form together to form densest material called gold. Gold is a very densely material. And then till date, before Christ to till today, how much our gold, in amount, if we see how much our gold we have been extracted, that is so less to compare to iron ore, because till today whatever gold we have extracted, the iron ore in an hour, whatever iron ore we have extracted, that is equal to this gold whatever we have so far extracted from the beginning. And then gold is malleable, we can say. If you see the characteristic of gold, this is non-corrosive and malleable. Malleable means how it can be beaten up to make thin wires and also thin sheets called gold leaf. 1 ounce, that means 28 grams of gold, can be beaten about around 200 meters of square meters of thin sheets called gold leaves. And even long wires we can make. It's non-breakable, it is non-corrosive, it has got the resistant, it's highly resistant to air, humidity and oxygen. And also the atomic number, if you see the gold's atomic number 79, that means 79, the 79 protons of protons are there in nucleus of an atom of this gold. It's and also gold is 1 metric ton of gold ore needs to make only 6 grams of pure gold. And how can we measure pure gold, whether the gold is pure or fake? Gold usually measures in carats, 24 carats we say, no? 24 carats means that means 99.9 point of 99.9 grams of gold will be there in that. 22 carats means 94 point of gold and other will be there. Because of this non-breakable, it has got so much of importance to it. And also non-corrosive, non-ductile. Gold is an emotion to Indians, we can say. Then what else we can say about gold? Some alchemists thought to prepare gold artificially. One of the alchemists by name Edmund Brand, he wanted to prepare gold artificially, and also he thought that gold will be in soluble form of urine. He thought gold is there in the urine of human beings. Then he collected thousands of liters of urine and heated it. Finally he got phosphorus but not gold. Then he came to a conclusion that gold cannot be prepared artificially. And then uh, what else I can say? Romans, Greeks, Europeans used to use gold coins because of its non-corrosion, because of it is highly resistant to air and oxygen. um, Thank you for this video.